Let's learn, create, and explore together in the Curious Explorers Club.
Let's draw together. Easy step-by-step drawing for kids with Coco the Panda. Hi there, Curious Explorers. Welcome back to the Curious Explorers Club. I'm Coco the Panda, and today we have a super fun activity planned. We're going to learn how to draw a bunny and carrot. That's right, we're going to draw a cute bunny. This bunny will be super cute and a lot of fun to draw. So, let's get started. Materials. Here are the materials that you will need. First, you will need a black marker for outlines. And then you will also need some markers for coloring. Feel free to use crayons, watercolor, pastels, or other color pencils as another option. And of course, you will need some paper to draw on. And that's it. Let's get to some drawing. Yay! For the drawing today, I'm going to get some help from my friend Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. First, let's get our piece of paper ready. We will start by drawing the bunny first. Here we will draw a large circle for the bunny's head. Next, we will draw 2 bunny ears. Now, let's draw in a large carrot and 2 large leaves on the top of the carrot. You can also change it up and make the carrot really big or really small. I will draw in 2 small circles of the bunny's hands. Next, let's add in a curved line of the bunny's body. Let's not forget the bunny's tail and back leg. Now it is time to draw in the face of the bunny. I will draw in 2 small circles for the eyes. Feel free to draw in larger eyes for the bunny as well. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. You can also change the facial expressions for the bunny too. Maybe it can be really angry or really surprised. Isn't it so cute already? Now that we've finished the outline, I think we are ready to color. I will start by using pink to color in the bunny's inner ear, mouth, and the cheeks. Doesn't it look fantastic already? Feel free to change up the bunny's color and use other colors as well. Next, I'm going to color the leaf on the carrot with green. Afterwards, I will use a light orange for the carrot itself. Of course, you can change up the carrot's color to any color of your choice. Maybe a blue carrot, or maybe a rainbow carrot. Coloring can be so much fun. Make sure to color within the lines and don't leave out too much white space. Lastly, I will use a darker orange to create some ridges for the carrot. Wow! Look at our amazing little bunny friend. You all did a fantastic job. It looks so cute. If you like, you can also add some background, such as a blue sky with some fluffy clouds. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. Here is the finished drawing of the bunny and the carrot. It is so adorable. Here is a closer look at the drawing. Drawing can be so much fun, especially when we do it together. You all did a fantastic job. Thanks for drawing with me today. Remember, your art will get better with practice, so keep drawing and trying new things. You may want to try this drawing again using different colors or adding different faces and expressions to your character. Use your imagination and have fun with your drawing. See you next time, and keep exploring and creating.